Laundry matters because small mistakes can ruin clothes. A red sock can turn white shirts pink. Towels can cover black shirts with lint, and hot water can shrink your favorite hoodie. The good news is that laundry is mostly three decisions: sort clothes, read labels, and choose settings. Start by sorting into simple piles: whites, lights, darks, and bright colors. Keep towels separate because they're heavy and leave fuzz behind. Check pockets before washing. Tissues and pens can destroy a whole load. Next, read the care label. Machine wash cold means cold water. Tumble dry low means low heat in the dryer. If a label says line dry, hang it up instead. For settings, cold water is safest for most clothes because it protects colors. Warm works for regular, everyday loads. Hot is mainly for towels or sheets if the label allows it. Use normal for everyday clothes, delicate for stretchy or thin fabrics, and heavy duty for towels or muddy items.